Hiya and welcome back to my channel. If anyone thinks of an intro, please let me know because I need one. So in today's video, this product is going to blow your mind. I've seen this product everywhere, like on influencers, on non-influencers, on like just everywhere, and I was like, what the fuck is a FaceHalo? So basically a FaceHalo is this. So when I first saw this, I was like, what is this? People are just using this with no product, like what's going on? And I saw it in Boots the other day and it's £7, so I thought, do you know what, £7, I thought it was going to be more expensive, let's just get it and see what the crack is. So obviously I bought it. I used it on my Instagram because I was too excited to wait to film this video. By the way, I'm in my Pikachu onesie because I thought it would get nice and comfortable together. So yeah, I thought that I'd try it. This is the original one. It comes in a packet. I've got a dirty one in there because I've already used it. And it's going to blow your mind because all you do is add water.
What?
It says how to use. It says non-toxic, reusable, recyclable, and it says just add water, remove makeup, and wash and reuse. And oh my god, it works. So yeah, guys, we're gonna demo it today and see. You're gonna see firsthand how absolutely amazing this product is, because when I first used it, I was on Instagram and I had loads of people messaging me like, what the hell, like that is what the hell. So I'm gonna quickly put my hair up and we're gonna get straight to it. Okay, so I've got makeup on, as you can see. I like full coverage like everyone else. Obviously I don't have mascara or eyeliner on. This is the original. Now apparently there is a pro version that removes heavier makeup, and there's also one for the body which I am going to buy because it's you can use it on dry skin for tan as well, so it's like amazing. I might review that when I get it, but yeah, there is a pro version, but this works so amazing that I don't see why you would need a pro version. But obviously I haven't got mascara or eyeliner on. However, this works so amazingly that I feel like it would work on that. So anyway, we're going to demo it out and you're going to be blown away. Okay, so obviously you want to take it out of the packaging, and then I've just got some water. I've actually got hot water. It doesn't specify what water to get, hot or cold, but I like to use hot water just because the heat from the water is going to open your pores and it's going to get further down in there. Basically it's got a lot of miniature fibers in it, and that's what gets deep into your pores and also removes the makeup, and that's kind of where the magic happens. So just taking my hot water, it's going to obviously open the pores, and I like to double cleanse anyway, so it's going to open my pores ready for my next cleanser. So I'll just wring it out like this, and I'm not going to skip any of these parts because I really want you all to see how amazing it is that I'm not adding anything to it. It's literally just water, and that's that. So I'm just placing it on the floor, and then here we go. You're not ready. You are not ready for this. Like, so you just get it. And then, I was looking for something. So you just get it, and then you go. Like, how fucking sick is this? So while you're all with me, I'm actually going to take my thumbnail. So, here's my thumbnail. Oh wait, where's my package? Where's the halo thing? Where did I put the packet? I've lost the place here. So I'm gonna because I don't want anyone to think that I'm adding anything to this to remove my makeup, but I'm quickly just gonna take my thumbnail that a good one? That'll be fine, I'm sure. But yeah, like, I'm hardly rubbing at all. Careful with my nose ring. Like, you can literally see that's taken it off, so I'm going to take my gloss off. I can't even curb, can you? Because literally. So I'm just going to bring it down my neck, so I've got foundation on my neck. Like, look at that. So I'm just going to turn it over onto the clean side, and we're just going to go over it again and just repeat. Like, how, when I first used this, was like, how is it doing this? It's just water. And a few people on my Instagram actually was like, oh my god, I'm going to go out and buy it because it's just absolutely amazing. But I think this is amazing for, like, if you, oh sorry, my nose ring's caught. I think it's amazing if you go in travelling, or, and like, say like you can't take liquids, you can just take this. Or I keep man in my bag now, just in case I'm just like, get this makeup off my face. Or if, like, say if you're travelling and you need to take your makeup off and you don't want to carry cleansers or anything like that, I think it's just absolutely amazing. And also it saves on buying cleansers, like it saves on double cleansing as well. And if you're one of these horrible people that use cotton pads, or you use like wipes, like, you're saving the planet as well. All of my makeup has gone. How incredible is this? So this is machine washable up to 200 times, but rather than put it in the washer every night, I've been using this brush cleanser by Real Techniques. So this is a cleansing gel. So what I do with this is, I am going to do it now, but basically when I'm near the sink, I pour the gel onto each side, and then I'll just rub it like this, and then obviously run it under the tap and clean it, and it comes out really, really nice and clean, ready to use for the next day. And obviously, because you use it wet, you don't need to wait for it to dry or anything like that. It's just an amazing, amazing product. I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to quickly double cleanse, and to do this, I'm going to use the best thing ever. This is the Kate McIver Secret Weapon Cleansing Balm. You can use this as a mask. I do have a few videos coming that I'm going to upload onto my YouTube on how to use this. I do have a discount code for this as well. So if you do want to use it, it's code ADAM and you'll get money off. And yeah, it smells absolutely amazing. Look at that colour. I am going to be doing like a demo on these cleansers, so bear with me. So I'm just gonna like start rubbing this all over my skin. You can use this as a 10-minute mask. It's got geranium oil in it, chamomile, and it's got 16 natural oils in it. So when you use it as a mask, oh my god, it's really healing as well. So like, I've got acne scars. If you've got a spot, it helps calm it and bring it down. So it's got lavender in it as well, so it's like antibacterial. But as I say, I am going to be doing a video on it, so it's all to come. So I'm just going to wash my face and apply my Kate McIver serum, and we're done. Alright guys, so I've just washed that off, and now you can either go in with your serums. So I've got my Kate McIver one, and then I've got my under eye one, which is the Jolie Beauty Elixir. Just put them on and you're good to go. So guys, I know that was like a quite quick video. My face is like so red, but this is the best thing that I've ever purchased. Like, it's just blown my mind that all you do is add water, and like I don't need to waste money on cleanser, like double cleansing. Well, obviously I'm gonna still double cleanse, but so yeah guys, this is £7 in Boots, or you can get it for, I think you can get a pack of 3 for £15 something. And as I say, you can get a body one as well, which I am planning on getting. Please give me a discount code or sponsor me, because I'm obsessed. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video guys, and as always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully it's going to be a makeup one, I'm not sure. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you. Bye.